Liam's got a little bit of a cold. You can hear her snoring through the monitor. Baby.